In this section, I will show you how to add the site cart to your store. So this is something that will highly improve the user experience on your store. So I highly recommend that you do it. And so let me show you how to add this on your store. So here I am on my store. And so for doing that, we need to add a new application. So I will go to the dashboard and then applications and all applications. Then you can search for side and you will find this application site cart. Just activate it and then you can access the app. Okay, perfect. So as soon as we activate the app, we actually have the site cart on our store. So let's see how it looks. Let's go to our store. Okay. And here we go, we have our site cart here at the bottom right of our screen. And this will be displayed on all of our pages. And when we click on it, we have this site cart that opens and then display what we have in our cart. So currently I have 2 products, and then directly from here, we can change the quantity, we can remove product, we can also directly add a promo code or go to the cart page or even directly go to the checkout page. And also something really cool is that at the bottom, you can suggest product as well. So then people can discover your product and add them to their cart. As it is displayed on all the pages on our store, it's very easy for people to navigate on your store. By default, it's already very good, but we have a bunch of settings here that you can change if you want. For me, what I will do is first I will enable the count on cart icon in menu. I will show you what it does. Let's refresh our page now. So this option adds the number of items in the cart directly here on the cart icon in the menu. So I think this is pretty cool. So I will keep it like this. I will just change the color, background to white, and the font to black. Okay, then I will save. And then into style, you have a lot of style options that you can change to fit your style. What I will do personally is to change the button of the site cart, so the buttons that are here at the bottom, to just fit my design. So for doing that, I will choose custom in button design. I will keep the background white, the text in black, but I will change the border to red because we have used the red border everywhere on the store during this course. Here you just need to add the hexadecimal version of your color. For me, it is this one. If you don't know what is the hexadecimal version of your color, but you have the RGB version, for example, then just look online for a tool that will convert the RGB to hexadecimal, and you will find it pretty easily in just a few minutes. And so then I will save. Okay, then let's go back to our store and refresh the page. And now let's see our site cart. Okay, perfect. Now I have my button with my custom style, so it's much better. And I think it's good like this for now. Once again, you have plenty of options to customize even more your site cart if you want, and to match the design of your website. You also have a lot of additional settings here into the general tab, where you can change some behavior of your site carts. So it's very flexible. That's it for this section about the site cart. Now you have it on your store and your customer will love it. And so let's keep going, and I will see you in the next section.